Hi every one of you. I'm hoping you all guys will be well exuberant and welcome back to another video. This is part 9 and I am hoping you have watched all part of this series. Okay, if you haven't watched yet, so you can find out those videos link in I button, okay, which is top of this video right side. Okay, so it is part 9. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The first word is against, which is preposition, means to be. Against something is to be touching it or opposed to it. They both leaned against the wall. Second word is beach. Beach is a noun. The beach is sandy or rocky place by the ocean. The little girl built a sand castle on the beach. Third word is damage. It is a word to damage something is to make something is to break it. The car was damaged in the accident. Next word is discover, which verb, okay, it is a verb. To discover something is to find it for the first time. I discovered some new information in this book. Emotion, it is a noun. It is a noun. An emotion is how you feel. Anger is a common emotion that we all feel. Fix is a verb. To fix something is to make it work. My dad has many tools to help him fix broken things. Next word, frank. Frank, it is an adjective. If you are frank, you are being very honest. The teacher had a frank discussion with her students. Identify, it is a verb. To identify something is to be able to name it. I used a file to identify his name. Island, it is a noun. An island is land in the middle of water. Japan is a group of islands. Ocean, it is a noun. The ocean is all of the salt water that surrounds land. The ocean can make powerful waves. Next word is perhaps. Perhaps is a adverb. It is an adverb. Perhaps is used when you say that something could happen. Perhaps I will eat an apple for lunch. Pleasant. Pleasant, it is an adjective. If something is pleasant, you enjoy it. The character had a pleasant look on its face. Prevent, it is a verb. To prevent something is to stop. Stop it from happening. The handcuffs prevented me from moving my hands. Rock, it is a noun. A rock is a hard thing in the dirt. I stacked rocks on top of one another. Save. Save is a verb. To save something is to keep it from being hurt. I want to help save the world. Step. It is a verb. To step is to walk. Be careful where you step. Stale. Stale, it is an adverb. Stale is used when you say that a situation keeps going on. They are still waiting in line to get tickets. Taste. A taste is the flavor something makes in your mouth. The taste of the fruit was sweet. Throw. Throw is a verb. To throw something is to use your hand to make it go through the air. The pitcher. The pitcher can throw the baseball very fast. Wave, it is a noun. The wave is a line of water that moves higher than the rest of the water. The water was filled with large blue waves. So guys, let's jump into the story. Okay, so today's story is the title of the story, The Starfish. Last summer, I took a trip in Ireland. I had a lot of fun. I sat and watched the waves and listened to the ocean. I learned to identify birds. I discovered pretty things and enjoyed the taste of new foods. It was a very nice time. One evening, I took a pleasant walk by the ocean. When the waves came in, many starfish fell on the beach. Some starfish went back into the water and they were safe, but other starfish were still on the sand. They would die if they did not get into the water. There were many starfish on the beach that night. It made me sad, but I knew I could not fix the problem. I stepped very carefully so I did not damage them. Then I saw a little girl. She was also sad about the starfish. She wanted to prevent all of them from dying. She asked me if I could perhaps help her. To be frank, I don't think we can do anything, I said. The little girl started to cry. She sat back against a rock and thought for a while. Finally, the emotion was gone. She stopped crying and stood up. Then she picked up a starfish and threw threw it threw it into the water. What are you doing? I asked her, but she did not answer me. She just threw as many starfish as she could. You cannot save all of them, I said. She stopped to look at me. No, I cannot save them all, she replied. Then she picked up a very big starfish and said, but I can save this one. And then she smiled and threw the starfish as far as she could into the ocean. A starfish, an animal shaped like a star that lives in the water. Okay, so guys, how was today's story? I hope you liked. If you liked, please thumb up this video. And do you need this PDF link? You can ask for it. I will share with you. Okay, I will give you the link of this PDF. So guys, it is a really useful stories and vocabulary session where you are learning words, vocabulary with their meanings, examples, and those words are being used in a story, and you are understanding how to use vocabulary in the story. Okay, so guys, again I'm asking, do you want me to do comprehension, reading comprehension and exercises? So please guys, let me know. I am saying again, video will be lengthy, so it's up to you. Do you want me to do, or do you want to do it by yourself? It's up to you. Okay, it's your choice. So guys, it was today videos. I hope you liked. So please guys, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, so please subscribe it. Okay, because this series will keep continuing. Okay, I will keep uploading videos every day. There will be new video, new series, okay, new part. So please subscribe channel and thumb up this video, and let me know what did you learn. What did you learn from this story? Please let me know by doing comments. Okay, if you are new on this channel, so make sure you have subscribed and activated bell icon as well. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching and being here, and keep learning, be happy, keep smiling, and never give up. Hang in there. Bye, see you in the next video.